Hey you guys, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. I miss you guys. It's been a while, I feel like. I know I usually do my client or model videos, but in between I like to do my makeup. And so today I went on ahead and did a rainbow makeup ordeal type look. I don't know if you recently watched my videos. I did a rainbow makeup look without any like concealer or anything. I just wanted to see the color pay off for what it was at that moment. And yeah, so compare this look compared to my old video. Yeah, you do the math. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and quickly do a makeup look, and I chose to do a rainbow look. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I hope you like it. This look was not too hard to do, actually. For me, when I do makeup, I usually have to get up and go grab something because I forgot to have it. So that's the chunk of it. And to cut down on time, I use the majority of the same brushes, just because I don't like to use one brush for one brush after another. I just take some tissue, wipe the brush off, and continue to work. That's how I do it. So like, yeah, I'm like really feeling this look. I didn't think, I didn't think it was gonna be like this, but I actually like it. I'm digging it. So give this video a thumbs up if you like this style. If you have not already, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what type of looks you're wanting me to do. I really love this new lipstick. I'm gonna be doing another tutorial on a lipstick coming up for women of color, brown skin, dark skin. So yes, stay on the lookout for that video. It might be real soon, y'all, like real stuff, like I'm just saying. But this color is like A1. Yeah, so I'm feeling it. And I got something on my too. So yeah, here's a close-up. Y'all see the hair. I did my hair. I got 3 buns. My dreads, or but yeah, make sure you join the family, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I love you guys, and stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and watch how I achieve this makeup look. Okay, you guys, so I just did my brows and I put concealer. I used LA Pro Girl in the shade Fawn. I used that on my eyelids as a base. I did not put any powder on, so we're just gonna go right in and add the blue eyeshadow. I'm gonna start off with a blue eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the Deluxe Cut Crease brush. Hopefully this is not too big. I'm kind of scared because I don't know, that might be a little too big. I'm trying to pat, so it's important that when you don't add powder or translucent powder on your lids after you get done applying your concealer, to hurry up and get into your eyeshadow palette so it won't crease. Anyway, I'm going to be using Revolution. And I think, yeah, I used the yellow. If you went back and watched my yellow tutorial eyeshadow, I use this yellow. It's pretty. It's really pretty. So I'm going to be going in with this palette. Then I'm going to be going in with Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to use that blue. Yeah, we're going to use that blue. I hope it like, here we go again with this dang light, y'all. I'm getting tired of it. So we're going to use that blue. Okay. All right, so I don't know what blue I'm gonna use. One of these blues, and then after the blue, I'm gonna use the purple. So let's just start. Let's start. Okay, so I'm gonna just pat that blue right in my. Which one did I use? Crap. Okay, right in my crease area. That's where I'm focusing the blue. Like, I'm just gonna pat because that's how you build up color. And for those who know me, know, oh, my crease can go super high. Like, oh my gosh. I have a I have a couple of creases. So if you here's a tip. If you have a couple of creases like myself, when you cut crease, go to the most highest crease so that you can be able to see your eyeshadow, all the hard work you did on your eyeshadow. That's gonna be important. So y'all see what I'm doing? I'm just literally patting in that blue on both eyes. Now I know dang well I'm gonna need to get some toilet paper to wipe. Cause y'all know me, I don't really switch off with my brushes like that. I just wipe it off and pick up another shade. Ain't nobody got time to be using a million brushes, okay? I'm gonna go in with the purple, and I'm going to place that purple right on top of the blue, but above it too, to smooth out that line and to build up that rainbow effect, you feel me? So that's what we doing. Y'all see it? Yeah. So that's what we doing. Okay. It's important that you blend those lines out, just because it gives your makeup a more flawless look, and it all seems to just blend in so perfectly. So I'm gonna go in with this little blending brush. It's a little bit more loose, not as stiff, and I'm just gonna blend that purple. Right, and so now I'm going to take a pink shadow and I'm going to apply that pink right on top of that purple, right? That's what we doing. Y'all see what I'm doing? Okay, y'all know what I'm doing. Don't go there. So, cause we doing a rainbow, sis, today. Yeah, y'all see it? And then you might have to come in, like my purple, I'm gonna come in and add more so my purple can like stand out. Sometimes you just need to do that, it's important. Definitely when you're working with the colors. Yeah, you just have to do that sometimes. Then I'm also gonna go back in that blue, right? To make sure that's standing out like I need it to, you know? I'm using this brush right here. I don't really like it because the bristles are kind of thick, but that's all I'm working with right now, so we just gonna work with it. So I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance in the shade Black Radiance True Complexion. Oh, this is a corrector. You know what? I don't have time. I'm using this. We're gonna use this to cut. Okay? That's just the bottom line. Period. Okay. Let's get started. I don't have time. Okay. So when you cut crease too, it's tedious. So here we go, y'all. So y'all see I have a 1, 2, and 3. I have 3 lines on my eyes, you guys. If you put eyeshadow right here, you can see it, but if I looked up, it might disappear. So if you want to get the most bang for your buck, bring your cut crease right in the socket. So you'll see what I'm talking about. So if you see, you just lightly, I do not like this brush, but let's pray. You lightly tap, okay. I don't know if I should have used this or not. This is a corrector. I mean, it is like a concealer, but you know, we'll see, But I'm just lightly tapping and trying to build the liking of, you know, the cut crease or whatever. So that's important. It takes time, okay? Y'all make sure y'all go vote too. I'm trying to push everybody to, you know, I know some people be like, what difference does it make? I get it, I was that person too. Oh y'all, this thing, okay, we're gonna have an issue here. So let's see what's going on, right? Gonna use the yellow. I'm gonna use everything out of this Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm not even gonna use anything in that one because they got some pretty yellows in here too. So let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna go in with this yellow. It looks really pretty. And we're gonna go in right here with that yellow. And I'm using the base shadow brush, I guess, to apply this. So I'm just really hold on. I am tapping this yellow on here. Right? Tap, tap, tap. Tapping the yellow. So that's what I'm doing. I know most of the time I'm always doing like natural looks, but I do bold looks too, y'all. I just prefer natural, and a lot of my clients, they get natural, so it's kind of like I'm always reverting to a natural style because I'm really not gonna wear this type of look anywhere, really. I mean, I don't know. I guess I just wouldn't randomly wear it because I don't know where I would go. Like, we're gonna go on with this orange. Okay, there we go, you know, okay. Maybe I probably should have used a different application brush too, just because, I don't know, I'm not really feeling this brush. I feel like the brush pick up more powder. I love I mean, it works, but it's not like building. I gotta keep picking up and see. Okay, so I'm just gonna like take the yellow side and I'm just gonna blend where the orange and yellow kind of stops with each other. I'm gonna blend that out. For some reason, I'm not having much luck with it. It is what it is. Like, I'm not even gonna like sweat the small stuff. Anyway, now I'm gonna go in with, I guess I'm going in with this this green. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with this. Jeez, if it can get on there. Yep. Boy, I don't know. I might have to. This green is a little dry. Okay. I just don't understand. Like. So I'm like, I guess it's cool, you know, like, it's not bad or anything. Like, well, you see, there's a little bit of patches right there, but I guess I'm not gonna let that bother me as much. right now. I'm just not. I'm not. This is what it is. So this is what it is, okay? So crazy thing about it. So this is the look, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on. I'm gonna finish my face. I'm gonna do my lips, and I'll come back to you guys with the finished look. Don't go nowhere. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. This is the rainbow look. So I went on ahead and I finished it. I'm really digging it. I took my time. It didn't take that long, but I'm super stoked about it. I'm happy about it. I think it really came out nice. I'm really digging it. I'm really digging it. The whole look. So yeah, this is the look.